What's up, guys? Didn't have no exciting content to film for y'all for this weekend, but I figured I should make y'all an update video. Here's where we're at. We got our valve springs in, 750 lip valve springs from Texas Speed. These are some stout springs, and they're definitely gonna do us good. Still need to order the lifters, but this stuff ain't cheap, you know, so you gotta buy it, and then it'll last you a couple of years. That's just kind of how it works. These guys right here were like 400 and something after shipping, and then we got another like 500 or 600 to spend on the lifters. Now, let's check out the engine bay. God dang ice cream truck going by. So we went ahead and primed it with some self-etching primer. That's what I had in the garage. So that's what I used. I still need to sand it back down, knock some of these imperfections out, give it a top coat of primer, sand it back down again, just like Scotch-Brite. Dang, looks like we got some oil in there and over there. And then we'll be painting it, make it all nice and pretty like. See, y'all really didn't miss much. I just kind of threw down a coat of primer. I sanded everything and then threw it down. Yes, I primed over those hoses, but I'm gonna just paint them black again. And the rails down, I'm gonna do black. So this stuff down will be black, including these. And then all this, haven't really decided. And I also don't have a paint for it. I think I'm gonna stick with that gray I was doing. I just want a really high gloss and a clean look to it. We will be figuring that out. But that is the current condition where Scoot sits. We still need to order lifters, head gaskets, and I'm sure there's a couple other things I'm forgetting, but we should be back up and running. We got that new rotating assembly we're throwing in. I already got the new bearings for the engine and everything. We're not far off. And we're making haste. Alright guys, it's just a quick update video. I hope y'all are having a great weekend. I'll catch you guys in the next one.